So over here you can see that I am in the home page of the Google Sites, and here you can see that there are a bunch of sites. And let's say what I want to do is I want to duplicate out one of these sites right here. So you cannot just simply go in over here onto the three dot icon and duplicate this. If you were to open a particular site out right here, you can go around, click on the three dot icon, and here you can see that make a copy is an option. That is one way of creating a site right here. So you can go around and copy out, let's say for example, an entire site or selected pages over here as well. So let me just go around and click on selected pages, and this is going to be event 2 as a page that you can see. And here you can see that the folder this is being saved to is my drive itself. So I'm just going to click on next, and you can select out the pages now, and then you can click OK, and the selected site will be copied. So it says copying selected pages, and the site has been copied. So if I were to go to the site's home right here, then you can see event 2 is a copy right here, and whatever changes you make to event 2 will stay in event 2 and won't affect out any other pages. But there's also another way to actually copy out and manage out sites, and that is by accessing the Google Drive. So to do that, you can click on the main menu right here, and then you can click on Drive. And what happens is that it opens out this page, as you can see, where you can access your site. So let me just close this right here. So over here, you can see that these are your pages right here. So there are different file formats right here. But what I'm interested in is the event 2. So let me just go around onto the top right here, just like this. And then the event 2 is here, and you get this icon right here. This is a Google site, as you can see. So what you can do is you can right click over here and make a copy from over here as well. So if I were to copy this, then it copies out the site and creates a copy of the site right here. So copy of event 2 is created. So you can go around and rename this, and then simply type in event 3 right here, and there you go. That's how you can make a copy as well. So another thing that you can do is you can select out these sites right here and move this to different parts of the folder as well. So the site over here, you can see that you can move it into like untitled folder right here or TutorTube folder. So let me just move this into the TutorTube folder and move it right inside, and all the sites will be moved inside of the TutorTube folder right here, just like this. And that is how you can manage files as well. So if I were to go to event 3 right here, then it opens up in Google Sites again. And whatever sites you have in your Google Drive, it will show up over here on the site's home itself. So here you can see that event 3 is here as well. Even though I made a copy of it in Google Drive, it does get collected right over here as well. And that is how you can duplicate and manage sites in Google Drive as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.